Hey, good morning. It's Ned,
And it's Michelle.
and we are My Philippine Dreams. And it's Sunday. There's Brownout all today, so we're heading up to Bajan and Cebu to go canyoneering. What could possibly go wrong? So come along and check it out. Should be interesting. Alright, so we encountered our first misadventure already. We're on the ferry, and they put the cars so close and the trucks all so close that there's no way to walk between them to get to where the passengers are supposed to go. So there's a bunch of people just stuck out here in the front. There's the pig guys. And hopefully it won't rain. Alright, so we're gearing up and we'll be heading out soon. Michelle's all ready to go. Ready? Thumbs up. There we go. Alright. What could possibly... And this is why you don't come down to Kawasan Falls on a Sunday. Our guide actually said it was the most people he's ever seen here. The parking lot out front is just full of vans in every direction, and it was very busy. We'll give you the full breakdown in a little bit. Alright, so it's time for our after action report after going canyoneering up at Kawasan Falls. On a scale of 1 through 10, how much fun did you have?
9.
9. I had about an 8.7 myself. It's a great place to go. A little history of it. It actually only started up this past January.
Yeah.
Canyoneering. And basically what you're doing is you're going to the top of this massive ravine and you're jumping off all these waterfalls and you're floating down the river and you're traipsing through the jungle. And you really get to see the raw beauty of the Philippines.
Yeah.
And it's exhausting. Today's actually Tuesday. We went on Sunday. Today is Tuesday. And it took us this long to recover, and I'm still not fully recovered.
Me too.
And again, it just started recently. Surprisingly, no one's died yet because it is kind of scary.
It is.
Especially right from the start. Right from the start, you're jumping off a cliff into the water, and it's pretty intense. What to bring? Just bring yourself up there. Make sure you got a change of clothes. You got to bring your bathing suit. At Kawasan Falls, you'll get the helmet, you'll get the flotation device, you can get the shoes. You can also rent a dry bag. Bring a camera. Unfortunately, our footage didn't come out that great because the camera got kind of steamy, but we did the best we could. And again, bring the dry set of clothes and your towel and stuff. You can lock up all your personal belongings in a locker. They have a closet there where you lock up all your stuff. They bring you hobble up to the head of the ravine, and it takes about 3 hours. 2 or 3 hours?
3 hours.
Maybe 4 hours. It took
a while. Us 4 hours because of the traffic.
Because there was so many people.
Yeah.
Which brings us to when to go. Do not go on a Sunday or a Saturday or a holiday. Go during the week, because our guide Marlon, he'd been working there 5 years, and he says that was the most people he'd ever seen there. And it was just wall-to-wall people. When you guys see the video, and you've seen the video, this is the end of the video, you'll see how many people were there. Where to go? You just go to Kawasan Falls. It's in Bajan on the western side of Cebu Island. It's a beautiful ride up from Dumaguete. If you're going from Cebu city itself, you can go through the Trans Central Highway to get there. It's a beautiful ride. Take your time. And again, try not to go on the weekends because it was just total insanity. But it was a great time. Thanks to Roy and thanks to Marlon, our guide. You did a stupendous job. The guide that you get only gets salary, and you end up paying about $1,200 each.
Because there's only 2 of us, but if there's like 5 or 4 or 5, it's gonna be just 1,000.
Okay, so if you have more people, it's less, which makes sense. So make sure you give the guide a good tip, because you know that's what he's doing. It's a beautiful area. It's a beautiful opportunity. If you haven't done it, you got to see it, and we'll just let the footage speak for itself. I'm going to put up some stock photos from other people's websites after this so you can see what it really looks like, because some of the footage we had didn't come out that well.
I jumped like a frog.
And Michelle jumps like a frog.
Hey, that's quite an achievement for me. I'm scared of heights, and I'm a wimp, and for me to be able to jump that high from that cliff.
Yeah, that's some intimidating jumping right there. And I used to jump out of airplanes for a living. With that, this is Ned.
And this is Michelle.
We are My Philippine Dreams. Thank you, Kawasan Canyoneering, and we'll see you next time.